Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've done an update. Had to wash the bike, clear off that Florida pollen, and today we're going to install the M Custom Cycles luggage rack for the Indian Chieftain. So we'll go through the steps here in just a moment. So I ordered this about a couple months ago, so I'm finally getting around to install it. I did replace the seat on my motorcycle with an ultimate solo seat, so now I've got plenty of room here in the back, and figured the luggage rack would be nice for, you know, strapping down a backpack or whatever. So anyways, let's get into it. So as part of this kit, obviously we have the brackets to hold on to the side where the bags attach. We also have the lever and of course some various bolts. So what we're going to do first is just attach this to this, and we'll see what that looks like in a moment. Alright, so assembly was pretty straightforward. We've got 3 bolts, 2 larger ones here and 1 down here, and this is repeated on the other side. So the next thing we need to do is to remove these on both sides, and then we'll slip the luggage rack on. So pulling these off is pretty straightforward. When you stick your finger down here, you'll see where you can put your finger in there, gently pry this up. This other side will come up, and just gently pry that out of there. This side came out fairly easy, so don't use too much force. You don't want to break the piece. So next we'll put this on. So we're going to take this on both sides, and we'll latch it onto the front spool, and then that rear part will go in, and then we'll put the lever down to secure it in place. So one little note when putting these on, you'll see on these plastic covers there's a groove area, so make sure when you slide these on to get it in between there. Alright, so once we've got this in, we have these 2 levers, and we just push them down to secure the luggage rack in place. So here it is. I suppose that with my solo seat I could flip this bad boy around, but of course the Indian would be backwards. So obviously this is designed for a 2-up configuration, but I like the chrome bits. They also have this in black as well, I do believe. So if you have like a dark horse model and you're interested, they should be able to help you out. So after I installed it, I did a little bit more research and got to work with my solo seat. So essentially I just turned this main bracket around on both sides and basically flip this, and now it, for me, looks perfect. Thanks for watching.